Hey guys, welcome back to PC Booster, your go to place for quick and easy PC tips. Today we are kicking off an exciting series about the control panel, the hidden powerhouse of your Windows PC. First things first, what is the control panel? Think of it as the command center of your computer. It lets you customize, tweak, and control almost everything. Your network, sound, display, programs, security, and much more. You can open it in seconds. Just hit start and type control panel. You will see it will appear here. Now click on it. Now you are in control panel. This is control panel. Want to change how your PC looks? Go to appearance setting. Need to fix a sound issue? Hop into sound setting. Everything's in one place. And that's a quick intro. In the next video, we will compare control panel settings. Which one should you use and when? Hit like, subscribe, and let's boost your PC skills together. See you in the next one.